Hi, to lock your Google Pixel Watch free and set PIN code or password, as a first step, let's swipe down from watch face to trigger quick settings, because from here we can lock our device. For that, swipe a bit up and find this finger icon, tap it once, and you'll see this option to turn on touch lock. So it turns off touch screen, and to exit this mode, press and hold crown for 2 seconds. Let's tap check mark, and as you can see, now I cannot swipe up or down, left or right, and I cannot simply touch my watch because it does not react to my touches. To unlock it back, just hold this digital crown for 2 seconds like that. Let's just do it again. And now we just exit touch and lock so we can use our watch like we would normally do. And now let's set PIN code. For that, open your app list and from here choose settings. Now we need to scroll a bit down, find this tab security and go in screen lock. And choose either a PIN code or a pattern. I'm going to select PIN code, then enter it, and then re-enter to confirm. So now we just set screen lock. To check this, we need to wait till our watch will lock. So let's just wait a bit till watch will be locked. So it's been 2 minutes and my watch is finally locked because we can see this lock icon right on watch face. So now it requires to enter PIN code to unlock this device. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.